Hydrogen gas. This is the lightest. Making of hydrogen gas. The chemical reaction: aluminium plus caustic soda NaOH plus water H2O. It will give warm NaAlO2, sodium aluminate plus H2, and we want this hydrogen gas. Process of making hydrogen gas. First, we will take caustic soda in a glass bottle, small amount. Be careful when you are doing this aluminium foil. You better not to do this. This reaction is very exothermic. The caustic soda starts reacting with moisture. Highly exothermic reaction. Turning off the light, then adding water in it. Hydrogen gas. Very exothermic reaction. बहुत ज़्यादा बॉटल गर्म हो चुकी है इस टाइम. Adding some more aluminium. Now watch it. Hydrogen gas. This is the lightest gas. Do not try this at home. If you people want how much the reaction is exothermic, I can make a separate video on it. Please comment down. अगर आप लोग चाहते हैं कितना ज़्यादा ये exothermic reaction कितनी heat reduce हो रहे हैं तो मैं इसके लिए एक और अलग से वीडियो बना सकता हूँ. Please comment down. Do let me know. Can you see it? Time to zoom in. बॉटल बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म हो चुकी है. Highly exothermic. बहुत गर्म हो चुकी बॉटल. This is what it